Here in this video, I'm going to show you the whole process of how I generate AI image for free using this AI tool. Well, I'm going to show you how you sign up and then how you can begin to generate all these AI tool for free. And then you can see that I'm downloading it even without no watermark. And then this AI tool is free, that is going to generate massive AI content for you without you wasting much of your time. So without much ado, let us get started. Let me also show you another one that I actually generated. So these are one of the AI image generation using a prompt. I'm going to show you how to do that, and also I will show you how you can use ChatGPT in order to generate one or two prompts. So without much ado, let's get started. Go to Google and search this AI, Leonardo.AI, and then you click on the first page. And then after you click on the very first page, you are going to see this. So you're going to head over to Launch App. Okay, so you're going to click on Launch App, and then here you just click on Yes, I am whitelisted, and then at this very particular place, once you click on it, it's going to open a new tab, and then you are going to follow the next prompt. And then what you're gonna do after it has loaded is saying login to Leonardo.ai. So you click on login, okay, and then it's going to take you to sign in. So just sign in with your email, okay. So I'm going to click on continue with Google, and then I'm going to block this so that you can actually use your email, okay. So I click on my email in order to actually sign up, and then in no time I have signed up for this AI tool. So in this very particular place, you just have to pick your username. You can use a simple username, and be minded that if you use a popular one, you have to actually use some letters in order to do that, okay. So I use this, is saying that username is already taken. So I actually input 1231, okay, and then it's still saying already taken. I'm going to use another one. I use -12. I use -12p. Oh, it's still saying already taken. So I have to actually generate some ideas in order to make sure that I have a combination of letters and numbers, and as well underscore, okay. So you have to actually come with some ideas in order to make sure that you don't have that name actually choosing. So I use a local name here, and then it's a username available, and then I am going to click on what I am interested in. So I'm going to click on education, and then what role best describes you. So I'm gonna click on let me just click on others, and then I'm going to click on education here too, okay. So you can start using this software. So by the time you click on it, it's saying welcome to this, and then you can begin to use this for free. You just actually skip this particular introduction in order to actually get started. So these are some of the things people have generated, and you can actually download it for free. But this is what we want to see. We want to check out the AI image generator, and here you can see that text to image generator. Just actually skip this place, and this is where we can actually generate the image, okay. So now at this particular place, just click on prompt generation, and then you will begin to enter a basic idea. That is where you have to think of another thing, okay, and then just come with some generation, and then you actually get started with it. Where I'm actually checking all these things to see how it be. I'm going to go back to prompt generation later. This software, this AI is powerful. So I'm going to write just one basic idea in order for you to see. So let me just type Bruce Lee and then I'm going to click on hide it, and then you will see that it will begin to generate some ideas for you. You could see a portrait of Bruce Lee in a classic marital stand and a lot. So I'm going to click on generate for this in order to see what is going to actually display. Okay, so right here is loading, and you will see the different Bruce Lee generated one that it's gonna show. Okay, and oh, this is one. Oh my god, this is unique. Well, this is actually one. Let me go back to prompt generation again, and let's go down and let's see a close-up of Bruce Lee. I click on it and let's see how this one is going to be. So loading this, remember to subscribe to this channel, very important. Okay, so let's see this. Wow, this is great. This is a close-up of Bruce Lee, and then I think I love this, and then I can easily download it into my system. Okay, so just right click and then you click on save image as, and you begin to do what? It's going to save up inside your computer with no watermark. Okay, so that's how to do that. Then I'm going to show you how you can actually generate this using ChatGPT prompt. Okay, using ChatGPT prompt, and then here I'm going to search for give me an let me say AI image. AI image prompt of an old man with a white gray hair. What can I put out again? In front of a camera. Okay, so you just actually search for it, and then surely it's going to show a prompt. You just copy the prompt. Okay, copy this prompt, and then you take it back to this AI tool, because we want to generate. So come back to this place, click on the prompt generation, and you click on this, enter the basic idea, just paste. So once you paste, you're gonna see what is gonna happen. Oh, it says the minimum length is 250 character. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that you have to head back to ChatGPT, and then you say make it 250 characters, and then you actually send. So by the time you do that, you see old man, gray hair, wrinkle, and adjust the dial with, that is with fingers, and then just click on this one, and then you paste, and here you're gonna see it's going to generate some prompt for you, and then you decide on what you actually want to choose. So giving it some time, you will see all these. Okay, and let me use the first one. Let me click on generate. So you will see this AI tool powerful. It's going to generate the image right there for you, and boom, what, this is it. This is what I'm actually looking for. Okay, and you're going to see the history of the ones you have actually generated so far, and then if you are okay with this, you can actually download it into your system, and then you make use of it and then use it for your project. Next video I'm going to show you how you can actually animate this. Okay, so you please keep tuned. So I'm going to download, I'm going to save this. Just click on save image as, and then you just click on save, and there, that is all. Okay, let me see another one again. Let me cancel this, and then actually go down to image generation, and then here different one again. but all this the man is actually fixing a camera, and then I don't really want the camera to be there, so you can actually change your prompt. Okay, let me see where we can actually change the prompt. I think it should be under this prompt generation. Okay, it is right here. Is it this? Oh no, it is actually down at that place. We actually, yeah, I've done it here. So I just deleted that camera, and then we come down. So I can actually click on generate, okay, but I can come down to this place, to this if you click on generate, it's going to generate, but I want to ideate it so that we have more of it. Okay, so here it is, and then the correction I actually made at that place has been corrected. So I'm going to click on ideate, and then it's going to begin to generate some new prompt. And here are they. So let me click on the very first one. So clicking on the very first one, and so here it is. Okay, still has the camera, but it's different. Yeah, this is what I need. You could see this is more of a portrait and interviewer like character, and then you could see that generate this white here, and then outside, and then in the sunlight you will see all the description. So once you are done, just click on save. So this is how to generate AI prompt image using this powerful AI tool, Leonardo. If you love this video, like and comment, and also subscribe to this channel, because it's very much important to me. I am going to see you in the next video.